To enable or disable data saver mode on Snapchat and manage how much mobile data the app uses, follow this simple guide using your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner to go to your profile. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Scroll down to find the data saver option under the privacy control section. Tap on data saver and you'll see a toggle to enable or disable it. Turning on data saver will prevent Snapchat from automatically loading snaps, lenses and stories when you are using mobile data. This helps save bandwidth. You can also choose how long data saver stays active, 3 days, 1 week or until turned off manually. If you want to go back to normal data usage, just revisit the same settings and toggle data saver off. That's it. Enabling this option is a great way to manage your mobile data consumption, especially if you are on a limited plan. Hope you found this video helpful. Be good enough to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips.